A pyramid of skulls, no soldiers, no heroes, just death. That's what you see in the Apotheosis of War by Vasily Vereshchagin, painted in 1871. This painting does not show the glory of war. It shows what war really leaves behind: silence, emptiness, and death. The word apotheosis means praising someone like a god. But here, it shows the opposite. War is not glorious. It only brings destruction. The skulls are stacked high in a dry, empty land. In the painting, dry, dead trees stand scattered, showing how war kills life. On the right side, a black crow sits on a rock, while several black crows fly above, adding to the feeling of death and loss. In the background, distant mountains rise under a clear, bright sky, making the scene feel cold and lonely. Vasily Vereshchagin was a Russian war artist who witnessed many battles himself. He dedicated this painting to all great conquerors, past, present, and to come, as a warning that all conquerors leave behind only death and suffering. This powerful work is a protest against war, showing its harsh reality with honest and unforgettable images. What feelings does the Apotheosis of War evoke for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more powerful art stories and analysis.